The PFAFF Stitch Creator Masterclass is designed to help you master how to create your own beautiful stitches on your PFAFF machine. I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com.
And I'm Liz from Stitching with Sew A Lot. We have created a course for you that utilizes the Stitch Creator function that has been found on PFAFF machines for 20 years.
And we have counted up 18 different models that the PFAFF Stitch Creator is on.
Right, and there's every model that comes out, there's more options for more models to come. So this is not a feature that is going away anytime soon.
And we get a lot of questions of people who have it, what to use it for.
Right, they have no idea how to use it or why to use it, or it just seems like a lot of work. And really, it's not that hard, and we're going to show you how easy it can be.
We've got a ton of lessons to teach you how to, number one, be inspired, how to create stitches from scratch, and our absolute favorite,
morphing stitches that are already on your machine.
So all those built-in stitches that you want to just kind of tweak, which you are going to get to watch us do a special challenge where we take the same stitch and you watch us morph it
into something new
in two different ways.
They look nothing the same when they're done.
So that is going to be super fun. We have a handful of videos that you can preview for free to see if this course is right for you.
We're not only going to be able to just show you stitches, we're also, for those of you with embroidery machines, going to give you a little peek into how you can use stitches with your embroidery modules.
And you went one step further and downloaded the 30-day free trial from the MySewNet and designed
did a little digitizing.
New stitches in the software. So I can't wait to show you those projects as well.
So regardless of whether you have a current model machine or maybe a machine you've had for a while, we're going to utilize different machines in the videos going over the different screen displays so you can find the icons easily and quickly.
You do find that the screens are actually very similar once we started putting them side by side. Now, one thing nice about our courses, when you do enroll, you are instantly enrolled and can get started immediately. Check your email for your confirmation once you have signed up.
No matter what time of day it is, you can start learning right away.
If you're ready to start mastering your PFAFF Stitch Creator today, I hope we see you in class soon.